Hello and welcome to this special AI that will help you generate leads and sales. That is a guarantee because the name as it suggests is my guaranteed sales coach, and it is your energetic coach who builds full marketing system that is from scratch to sales. Will build the full marketing system to drive leads and guarantee consistent sales online. So what you need to do is you need to have a free chat GPT account, because this particular says AI, that is my guaranteed sales coach, this runs within your chat GPT login. You just need a free account and just type hi. As you can see here, just say hi to start. Okay, as it says, yes, welcome. I'm so pumped up here. That is, it will give a nice and energetic welcome note, and then first thing you need to do is just enter your name, because in the further discussions it will address you by your name, and also it will build the sales system for you. So just you can write here name and then just press enter, and then the process will start. That is, as it happens in normal chat GPT, this particular chat which you are doing, it will be stored in the left side and you can access it anytime. You just need to do it once, and then further, that is, if you do something tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and hence on, what will happen is it will store all the information, and you have to just feed the information once, and then in next day onwards you can just continue from that point on. Okay, so as it says, so tell me, Jan, what's your business, product, or service about? That is, you have to describe your product, business, or service once, so that it stores and generates information. That is information for sales, scripts, videos, and the ad also. It will generate the ad images and the targeting, etc. Everything that you need to put in the, say, Meta platform, that is Facebook platform, to run your ads. And also it will generate the scripts which you can use to create your, say, Instagram post or LinkedIn post or Facebook post, and also it will give you the script for videos. So this is a complete marketing system. Okay, so you have two options. That is, you can describe your product, business, or service. That is, you can even paste your sales page or a few paragraphs. That is, do you already have a website, landing page, or sales page? Now if you are promoting any, say, affiliate page, affiliate product, then you can either copy the entire thing of the sales page, or just 5 to 10 paragraphs or the most important paragraph which contains the main essence or the main important things of the sales page here, and then we can start. For the timing, just to show what I am doing is, I'm just copying this entire thing. Just copy and I'll paste it here from my landing page, and then just press this enter. Okay, so here is the plan I recommend. What it will do is that I am continuously training this particular AI with various type of hooks, landing page templates, that is, which have worked for me. I am continuously feeding this and training this particular AI. So what it will do is that out of those, I have just I have inserted, say, about 120 to 150 hooks which are working fine right now. And what it will do is that it will generate hooks for your business based on the hooks that I have suggested it, that is, which I have fed into this particular system. So these are 5 curiosity hooks for your ads and content. That is, what if your business worked while you slept? This button gets me clients daily, that is, without spending a rupee on ads. Want to see how? And then why it works, it will explain. And then this is the system, that is the flow, hook, angle, and offer. And next step, what it will do is that it will ask you what to do. For example, if you have to select one of the hooks, that is one of the 5 hooks, and then just if you want to convert this into video scripts, or if you want to design an ad for this, then it will do in the next step. So let us convert into video scripts. For example, let me select one of the hooks. Stop chasing clients, start letting 7,000 plus AI agents bring them to you. What it does is that show the transformation from struggle to ease. This is the reason why this hook should work. Okay, so this is the hook I have selected, and then just let us see what it gives. It will generate the entire script for video. You can also use this as caption if you are using it in Instagram. Okay, so it is 30-second reels or shorts for YouTube. As you can see, the format is hook, then curiosity, offer, and call to action. That is, stop chasing clients, start letting 7,000 plus AI agents bring them to you. We can also, it is suggesting this overlay text. You can do all this now. Right now, while you are watching this video, my AI agents are running my business 24/7 on automation. I packed everything. I packed the exact system into my this particular program name. Normally $297, but I'm giving it away for free for limited time. Now click below or comment whatever you want to give. You can just give that, and your script will be ready. That is, this is particular 5 to 7 second or say 30 seconds reel for your video. Also, if you want, in the next training I will show you how you can generate a video using Google Gemini or VO3. You can use that for generating your video. In the next video we'll cover that, but here this is the particular post. You can directly turn on your camera, record this and post. That is UGC, user generated content, which is working fine, I mean very well right now. So you can do that, and if you are able to do that, then you do not need any particular say software or other packages to do any recordings, because UGC is the thing that is working right now. Now let us see what it will do next. If you want to generate ad, then that is just given the primary text, headline, description, then also CTA button. But CTA you can give as free access or learn more, then targeting, etc. But you can also generate more. I will show you how. See, okay, do you want to meet design 5 variations of this hook in video ad style, so you can test and see which one of this hits the hardest. Okay, you can use various versions, or if you want more hooks, then you can say yes, or you can give something like this: generate ad script for my. That is, if you do not want to go with this particular ad script, then you can write this again and it will generate ad script for your particular hook. Okay, also if you want to generate more hooks, then you can ask that. Now you can also like that create ad copy. When you write this, it will just create the ad copy based on the data which we have inserted into the system, that is high converting ads. It will just generate the ad copy based on that. It will generate the primary text, headline and description. That is, if you see above, okay, with the video script it also gave this meta ad ecosystem, that is description of ad, but this will always not be the case. Generally it will give only the video script. Okay, here it is. That is, you can write here this script, and also you can write this, give me the video script, then it will give you only the video script, and later you can just write this, just give me the ad copy. Okay, so this is nice ad copy, that is primary text, stop chasing clients and all these particular things. Then don't wait, only a few copy. Okay, this is high converting ad copy, get clients with this particular, there are 7,000 plus AI agents, and the description and CTA button. Okay, now what you can do is generate an image for this ad. Okay, image generation will take some time, and if you have the pro version, that is the 399 version, that is the PT has launched, then you can create unlimited images. Otherwise there will be limitations in the free account. Okay, so as you can see, the image rated, it is perfectly in alignment with our, see, the hook and the ad copy. Stop chasing clients, start letting 7,000 plus AI agents bring them to you. It is a AI and it is bringing the clients and get free access. It also has included the button, so you can just directly download this and use in your ad. And this sort of ad, these are highly converting, that is these are high converting ads which you can, I mean ad images, ad creatives which you can use directly in your ad. So now you have everything for running a successful ad, that is this particular say ad copy, that is primary text, headline, description, CTA, and also the ad image. So only one thing is missing, that is targeting. So let us see, suggest me targeting. Okay, now one thing to consider is that what we have done is that we have already fed the prompts to this particular AI, which is generating nice targeting, that is that will help you lower your CPC and increase the CTR. So you will not get this particular output if you run in normal chat GPT. That is this particular, that is AI, that is my guaranteed sales course. This will give you the targeting that is required for generating your, I mean, running your ad successfully. It has given you core audience, that is entrepreneurs, small business owner, freelancers, startup founders. Then this is interest based targeting. Then it has given you demographics, which age group, gender, and where we have to target. And that is if you are running after means more than 10 to 15 days, then you can go for this retargeting. And one more thing which you can do is that, okay, this is given for all tier 1 and tier 2. Then you can, if you want to run it just for say your one particular location, that is particular city or particular country, then you can just write particular that uh, kindly adjust the retargeting. I want to run ads say for India only, or say particular, say for if any particular place, then say only for Mumbai, or only for Delhi. And if you want to run it for worldwide, say then just you can meanwhile writing this here, you can write suggest me targeting for worldwide ads, and also suggest me countries that I should avoid. And if you want to target tier 1 countries, then you can write that also, say I just want to run ads for tier 1 countries. So these are just some of the features that you can use. I'm constantly updating this is just a preview of this particular system, that is my guaranteed sales course. This is just as I told, introduction and preview of the entire system, and this is sufficient to start generating leads and sales, because what this has done is that this has given you the hooks and the ad copies and etc, which you can directly insert into the Facebook ads manager, that is ad system, and start generating sales. Okay, so that's all for this particular video.